Good morning, guys. Welcome back. We're getting straight into it today. So, first day of block laying. We're going to do as much blocks as we can today. We're going to start off with the first course all the way around, and then I'm going to be doing the corners, and then we'll run a line in between the corners, and we're going to try and get up to 4 courses today. So, hopefully we get that far. We're going to do 10 courses in total. So let's go.
So this is what we did for the day. Not sure how many blocks we laid, but we laid a fair few. We're doing 10 courses up, so we're almost halfway up around in certain parts. So we're gonna have a 1200mm door, French door here, and we're gonna have 2 windows along this wall here. 2 1200 windows, 1200 by 1200 I think windows there, and the rest of the walls will be blocked all the way up. So this wall will go all the way up, and this wall here will go all the way up as well. So hopefully if all goes well, we will get the block work complete tomorrow. So guys, thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed this. We'll see you soon. Bye.